Good morning, children. We are doing biography on Albert Einstein by Patrick Pringle from our book Snapshots. Albert Einstein was not interested in learning the dates, and in his conversation to the history teacher, he said that he believed in logical reasoning and not learning facts, and he termed critical thinking and logical reasoning only to be education. In his conversation with Yuri, he told about the miserable feeling that he had when he was living in the poorest locality of Munich, but he knew that he had to go to school and he had to stay there or there only because his father could afford only that, and he would not allow him back to his place until and unless he did not get a diploma certificate. He did not believe in rote learning, and according to Elsa, whatever science he read that would not make him pass, but if he learned like a parrot, then that would make him clear the diploma school certificate examination. Now let's continue this lesson. We are on page number 27. After the conversation with Elsa, Albert was still thinking what to do about clearing the diploma school certificate examination. Apart from books on science, his only comfort was music, and he played his violin regularly until his landlady asked him to stop. That wailing gets on my nerves, she said. There's enough noise in this house with the kids howling. So, we have read about this before also that the landlady was irritated by the children and she used to beat her children regularly, and that made them howl, that made them create noise in the house. Albert was tempted to point out that most of the time it was she who made them howl, but he decided it was better to say nothing. Why? Because he had to stay in the same house, and for how much time he himself did not know. I must get away from here, he told Yuri, after 6 months alone in Munich. It is absurd that I should go on like this. In the end, it will turn out I have been wasting my father's money and everyone's time. It will be better for all if I stop now. So he had again a conversation with Yuri. Till now, he had stayed in Munich for 6 months, and he felt that it was quite foolish to go on like that because he was not interested to go to the school anymore, and he was wasting his time also and his father's money also there, and he wanted to go back to his place. And then, what will you do? Yuri asked. I don't know. If I go to Milan, I'm afraid my father will send me back. Unless. His eyes gleamed with a sudden idea. Gleamed, shine. Yuri, do you know any friendly doctors? I know a lot of medical students, and some of them are friendly, said Yuri. Doctor? No, I have never had enough money to go to one. Why? Suppose, said Albert, at that I had a nervous breakdown. Suppose a doctor would say it's bad for me to go to school and I need to get right away from it. So Albert had an idea in mind that if suppose a doctor says that if he continues to go to school, then he will get a nervous breakdown. He will come into depression, and then the doctor gives him a certificate for that, and he takes it to the school headmaster, and then he had enough of it and he will not have to continue going to school. I can't imagine a doctor saying that, said Yuri. I must try, said Albert, to find a doctor who specializes in nerves. There are plenty of them, Yuri told him. He hesitated for a moment and then added rather reluctantly because he felt that he will not agree to this. I will ask some of the students if they know one if you like. So Yuri agreed on the point, and he also felt the same thing that Albert was not interested to go to school anymore, and he should better go back to Milan. But he knew that the father would not agree to that. But if suppose he gave the certificate to the school and the school also exempted him for a few days or for months, that until and unless the child doesn't get over depression or nervous breakdown, he should not come to school. Then the father would also readily agree to it. So both decided that they will be getting a doctor who specializes in nerves. Will you? Oh, thank you, Yuri. Albert's eyes were shining. Wait a moment, I haven't found one yet. So Yuri told that till I do not find a doctor for you of such kind who can give you certificate of this thing, then till then you do not thank me. Wait a moment, I haven't found. Oh, but you will. And if I do, I don't know if he will be willing to help you. He will, declared Albert. I am going to have a real nervous breakdown to make it easier for him. He laughed merrily. So now Albert was very happy to get this idea because he knew that it might be possible that he gets this certificate and then the whole problem is over. Oh, but you will. So, and if I do, I don't know if he is willing to help you, means the doctor might not agree, Yuri says, because Yuri is quite doubtful about it. But Albert feels that he will show that he is having really nervous breakdown to make it easier to get a certificate for him. I have never seen you looking less nervous, remarked Yuri. A day or two at school will soon put that right, Albert assured him. So Albert told it might be possible Yuri is not finding him depressed and nervous and feels that he doesn't have any nervous breakdown. But 1 or 2 days, if he continues to go to school, he will get a real nervous breakdown. Certainly, he had lost his high spirits when Yuri saw him next. I can't stand it any longer, he said. I really shall have a nervous breakdown that will satisfy any doctor, Albert told Yuri the next time they met. Keep it up then, said Yuri. I have found a doctor for you. You have? Albert's face lit up. Now he was shining. He was very happy. Oh, good. When can I see him? I have an appointment for you for tomorrow evening, Yuri said. Here is the address. He handed Albert a piece of paper. Dr. Ernest Will. Is he a specialist in nervous troubles? Asked Albert. Not exactly, Yuri admitted. As a matter of fact, he only qualified as a doctor last week. You may even be his first patient. You knew him as a student then? I have known Ernest for years. Yuri hesitated for a few moments. He is not a fool, he warned Albert. So Yuri has been knowing Albert and then Dr. Ernest Well also, who was a young boy and who had recently become a doctor. He was a medical student when since then Yuri knew him, and therefore Yuri warns Albert not to try to make him fool because he is not a fool. What do you mean? Don't try to pull the wool over his eyes. Wool over his eyes means cheat or try to deceive him. That's all. Be frank with him. Means tell him clearly about the matter. But don't show you have got what you haven't. Not that. You would deceive anyone. Yuri added, you are the world's worst liar. So why does Yuri call Albert the world's worst liar? Because Yuri knows that Albert will not be able to speak lie, because Yuri knows that as soon as Albert is going to speak lie, he will be caught. Therefore, he says that Albert is the world's worst liar. Albert spent the next day wondering what to tell the doctor. When the time arrived for his appointment, he had worried over it so much that he really was quite nervous. So he appeared to be nervous because he felt that the doctor would not agree upon the point that he should be provided the certificate of nervous breakdown and should be asked to get exemption from the school because Albert doesn't appear to have a nervous breakdown really. I don't really know how to describe my trouble, Dr. Will, he said. He began. Don't try, said the young doctor with a friendly smile. Yuri has already given me a history of the case. So Yuri had already told Dr. Ernest Well everything about Albert's problem. Oh, what did he say? Only that you want me to think you have had a nervous breakdown and say that you mustn't go back to that school? Oh dear, Albert's face fell. He shouldn't have told you that. Why not? Isn't it true then? Yes, that's the trouble. Now you will say there is nothing wrong with me and you will tell me to go back to school. So Albert feels that Dr. Will now, Ernest Well will not agree to this point that should be given the certificate for nervous breakdown to get exemption from the school. So in the next class we will study whether he is able to get that certificate or not.